Hey, fashion enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of Korean fashion and I've got some secrets to completely transform your look. Ready to step up your style game? Let's go. First off, let's talk about the trick here is to match colors within the same tonal family but vary the saturation and strength. Imagine pairing a strong navy blue with a light blue and maybe some charcoal or black. This creates a cohesive and sophisticated look that's easy on the eyes. Next up, we have this is all about adding one standout piece to your outfit. Think brightly colored socks, a designer t-shirt or a unique cap. But remember, stick to just one accent piece. Having too many can dilute the effect and make your outfit look chaotic. Now let's tackle the balance between. The key is to look well dressed without appearing like you're trying too hard. It's about finding that sweet spot. For example, pairing a fancy hoodie with mismatched shorts and shoes can ruin your vibe. Instead, aim for a balanced mix of coordinated and casual. One of my favorite tips is also known as papanmai. It's all about dressing for the occasion. Wearing a suit in a casual setting or casual wear in a formal setting can create an impactful contrast. This not only showcases your personality but also makes you stand out in a crowd. Moving on to limit your outfits to 3 colors for a clean and polished look. This acts like a clean canvas, allowing any accent pieces to truly shine. Trust me, it's a game changer. Lastly, let's talk trends. While it's good to be aware of current trends like Adidas Sambas or skinny jeans, it's even more important to put your personal spin on them. Don't just follow trends blindly. Incorporate them in a way that reflects your unique style. And there you have it. These Korean fashion secrets will definitely help you transform your look and elevate your style. So go ahead, experiment and have fun with your outfits. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing fashion tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.